Hello, my name is Ramesh Yadav and I'm the Product Manager for Underwriting at AdvantageGo. Implied knowledge, or tacit knowledge, of an underwriter is a combination of their years of experience, the research they do around knowing the customer, knowing their risk, and the intuition that they feel about a new piece of business that they might start looking at. Underwriting in itself is more objective. It's looking at the data that you have about a location, about a line of business, about a risk. It's also based on information that we have within analytical systems, within reporting databases, within underwriting systems. And that's used to form or help the underwriters base an opinion or an underwriting view. From a technology point of view, we're not there yet with machine learning and AI being able to replicate the human experience, the human intuition. Although we are getting there with some simple cases, more around robotic processing and automation. So I see that them being more complementary from an underwriter's point of view. So using the underwriter's implied knowledge and augmenting that with reliable, relevant, sound data and insights that come from these data sources and helps the underwriters make a decision that validates and supports the underwriting risk. Art is subjective, and underwriting can be too, especially complex, specialty and nuanced risks. They require a subjective view, which in underwriting is relied upon by the underwriter's experience and intuition. Some risks, especially new and emerging risks, where we don't have history or the depth of data yet, or the loss or risk history, require more of that art of the underwriter. I think the subjective view of the art of underwriting is what connects with the implied knowledge of an underwriter. And underwriting in and of itself is an objective view of risk data, historical data and model information. So the art of underwriting, from my point of view, is bringing the subjective view, the implied knowledge, the tacit knowledge of the underwriter with the objective data of underwriting. Intelligence-based assistance should be part of the underwriting workflow process, especially when modeling typically occurs in the underwriting process. Touch points within these stages, certainly in those early risk assessment stages, should have touch points to APIs within intelligence-based systems so that we can get data and relevant insights based on the risk selection criteria, the portfolio rules, and similar risks that have been written historically, to be able to then provide the underwriter with additional data, additional intelligence and additional insights that helps them validate their gut feeling about that risk.